Hey friends, so Lottie London, yeah, they sent me the Harley Quinn collection. Let's get into it. So yeah, here's what's in the collection. I've already done a look using this stuff. I just didn't use all of it, so I'm going to go over quickly what's in it. So there's a makeup sponge, a primer, an eyeliner, highlighter, 2 eyeshadow palettes, a lip oil, I believe, a pH changing lip oil, a chubby eyeliner, and a like a crayon eyeliner, and a liquid lipstick. Yeah, anyways, let's get into it. You ready? Because I'm ready. Oh my bad, they also sent me their bronzing serum drops, so we're gonna get into that too. I tested this out, and yeah, it actually does work. I'm not gonna use it on my face, so I'm using a primer and all that. I think I'm gonna use it on like the decollete to give myself like a bronzy. You'll see. Hold on. Okay, this is what I came up with. Yeah, this is a little ombre black and blue moment. I just came with this using the blue. Y'all know me blue eyeshadow, and give me a compliment because I have not used blue eyeshadow in a long time, so this is necessary. Yeah. So easy. Let's get into it. Alright, starting off with the Harley Quinn jumbo eyeliner to give me my swoop shape. Listen, take your time with this, and if you don't get a symmetrical girl, I never do either. It's okay. Just try your best. Take your time. Next, I'm gonna use the Toxic Love palette. I'm gonna use Gotham Glam, which is a matte black. So I've already added some primer to the lid. I use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I really like this for my shimmer eyeshadows. And for the blue, it's going to come from the Pout and Pigtails palette. It is called Puddin Pop. So cute. To give more of an ombre look, like on this side, I'm going to take a Gotham Glam again, which is a matte black, and outline that black once again. Because y'all know I love a good sparkle, I'm going to use the Pout's Pigtails palette. I'm going to take Glitter Squad. I'm just going to pat it over the blue because I just can't resist a good sparkle. Join the sparkle club. Alright friend, moving on to the face. I'm going to use the Harley Quinn Crimson Craze Hydrating Primer. But I'm not going to use it all over because in my problem areas, which is right here, and on my nose, y'all know I have very large pores, so I need a blurring primer. So I'm going to take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and put it in these big areas. But yeah, you ready? Because I'm ready. I've never used the primer like this before. I'm excited. Alright, so I let both primers dry down, and then I went ahead and apply foundation. Well, obviously I'm not done. So the foundation I'm using is a Cosmetics CC Natural Matte Cream. To blend out my foundation, I'm going to use a Harley Quinn Daring Diamond sponge, and it actually changes colors. So it goes from like this purpley color, hopefully. Okay, so it starts off as this periwinkle color, and I believe it turns pink, so let me get some water, and I'm going to show you how it turns pink. I think it turns pink. I hope it turns pink. Don't not be lying. Okay, so I wet the tip of it, and let's see if it turns a different color. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so she definitely turns pink, as you can see. Is you have to use warm water. So as you can see at the tip, it's starting to turn blue because it's cooling off, and you can see it's, yeah, so it has to be warm water. So hold on, I just squeeze that because it has a lot of, hold on. So yeah, now it's cooling off, it's turning back to blue. But I think that's cool though, okay? I like it. That's not needed. Okay, so the foundation is all blended out, and the primer's priming. Now, I typically don't wet my sponges to blend out my foundation, so I did that for y'all, okay? Be thankful. Love you, man. But yeah, so the face is sitting. Let's see what it looks like with everything else, because y'all know I'm a fiend for primers nowadays. I don't know what it is about primers, but give it to me. That was, sorry. Okay, friends, so all of my liquid and cream products are on and blended. I'm kind of giving Mulan. Present! Sorry. Okay, yeah. So everything is sitting really nice on top of both of those primers, and particularly out here, because you know I use the hydrating primer. And yeah. Why? I think it's hungry. I like it. Keep doing it. Because I know I love an inner corner sparkle moment, I'm going to use Haha Highlight from the Pout and Pigtails palette. Because I can't resist using this. This is the Harley Quinn Jumbo Heart Stamp and Eyeliner Duo. So on this side is a regular eyeliner, like belt tip eyeliner, and this side is the heart stamp. Super cute. So I'm just going to give myself one little heart, like, right there. Oh, so cute. Okay, let me fill it in. I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, so let's get into these bronzing serum drops. I don't know why I didn't take out the packaging. Hold on. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, it has a smell. It's like a coconut type of smell. Okay, so there it is all dry. I did do 2 layers. And if you want to layer, obviously to make it darker, make sure you let your layers dry in between the application. Yeah, I said it right the first time, hopefully. Anyways, let's get to highlighter. I like this highlighter. If you don't know, Lottie London makes amazing highlighters, so get into it. And you're welcome for me putting you on. Okay, so this one is called Jester's Jewel, and this on the face and a décolleté. Yes, ma'am. For the lips, I'm going to use Smashbox's lip pencil in the color Be Legendary. Before I apply the liquid lipstick on the collection, I want to show y'all the Puddin Roller Ball pH Color Changing Lip Oil. Okay, so onto lipstick, it's called Glitter Switch, and this is a transformer liquid lipstick, so what that means is when you apply it, let it dry, and you purse your lips together, or mush them together, and when you let them go, you'll see glitter. Gotta get y'all in close, but I don't know if you can see, so let me see. There's the glitter. This is cool. And we're done, friend. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it? Of course you do. You wouldn't be here if you didn't. Exactly. Moving on. Anyways, thank you again to Lottie for sending me this collection. It is super cute. I love everything I use. And yeah, friend, have you heard about this collection? Did you know about this collection? Are you getting this collection because of me? Anyways, love y'all.